What's up, everyone, and welcome back to ICS Tech. Okay, real talk, your car's stereo system is probably the one thing you interact with every single day. And if it's still rocking a clunky old head unit from 5 years ago, it's time. We went deep this week to bring you the best car stereos of 2026, and trust me, this list is going to make your daily commute feel like a whole new experience. We're talking big, beautiful touchscreens, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto, rich sound that actually hits different, the works. All the links are down in the description if anything catches your eye. Alright, let's get into it. The smart no-fuss upgrade. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Sony XAV-AX6000, and honestly, Sony just gets it. This thing is clean, it's smart, and it doesn't overcomplicate things. You get a large capacitive touchscreen that actually responds the way you want it to. No lag, no frustration, just tap and go. What really stands out? Fully wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You hop in the car, your phone connects, and boom, maps, music, messages, all hands-free. No more fumbling with cables. Sony's audio tuning options are also solid, so whether you're bass-heavy or more of a flat response person, you've got flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable, well-rounded upgrade without a massive learning curve, the XAV-AX6000 is a great place to start. The tech enthusiast's dream, number 4, goes to the Atoto A5L, and this one is for the people who want more, like way more. This is a fully Android-based stereo, which means you get built-in Wi-Fi, Google Play support, and the ability to download apps directly onto your head unit. That's wild. It supports wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so no matter what phone you're rocking, you're covered. The multi-band EQ gives you serious control over your sound, and the display is crisp enough to make navigation and media playback genuinely enjoyable. If you're the kind of driver who wants their dashboard to feel more like a smart device than just a radio, the A5L is calling your name. Dependable, daily driver perfection. Alright, halfway through, and number 3 is a name you already trust. The Pioneer DMH-W3000X is everything you need from a modern head unit, without going overboard on price. It's got a clean 6.8-inch touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto baked right in, and Bluetooth pairing that's quick and painless. But here's what I really appreciate. Pioneer kept the interface simple. It's intuitive, the touch response is snappy, and everyday use just feels effortless. Backup camera compatibility is a huge bonus too. Parking becomes so much less stressful. If you want something reliable, full-featured, and won't break the bank, this Pioneer right here is your answer. The dashboard statement piece. Okay, now we're getting serious. Number 2 is the Pioneer DMH-WT760X, and the second you see that floating 9-inch HD touchscreen, you're going to understand the hype. This thing completely transforms how your dashboard looks and feels. It's not just a stereo, it's an experience. The floating display design is genius because it fits in setups where a traditional double-DIN unit just won't go. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto feel premium on a screen this size. Navigation is easier to read. Album art looks stunning, everything just pops. Throw in HD radio and Bluetooth, and you've got an entertainment system that honestly rivals some factory infotainment setups costing thousands more. If you want your car to turn heads from the inside, this is the one, the absolute best of the best. And taking the number 1 spot on ICS Tech's Best Car Stereos of 2026, the Alpine ILX-W670. Alpine has been doing this for decades, and with the ILX-W670, they remind you exactly why they're still the gold standard. The audio quality on this thing is in a different league. Crystal clear highs, punchy mids, deep bass, and you don't even need an extra amplifier to feel it. The display is bright and responsive. The interface is smooth and refined, and of course you've got wireless CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. But what really separates Alpine is how seamlessly this unit integrates with both factory and aftermarket speaker setups. It doesn't fight your system. It elevates it. For sound quality purists and tech lovers alike, the ILX-W670 is simply the best car stereo money can buy right now. And that's a wrap on ICS Tech's Best Car Stereos of 2026. Whether you're going for the budget-smart Pioneer or going all in with the Alpine, any pick on this list is going to seriously level up your drive. Drop a comment below and let us know, which one are you going for? We read every single one. If this helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what we drop next. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.